Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you for asking. Can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Okay, great. Can you tell me your name and where you're calling from?
My name is Sahiba and I am from India,
You're from India. What part of India? It's a big country.
in northern part.
The northern part. Okay, great. Well, let me just tell you quickly about myself so that you know who I am and we feel comfortable. My name is Lucy. I'm 25 and I'm originally from the United States, from the city of Boston, but I have been living in Spain since the end of last year. Okay?
Okay.
I
Wow.
want you to feel comfortable to tell me if I'm speaking too fast or too slow. I usually speak a little bit slower than I would with my friends, but if you want me to speak at full speed, I can do that too. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there anything in particular you want to work on today, or do you just want to have a free conversation?
Just conversation.
Okay, great. So tell me, it's summer. So,
Yes.
so what have you been doing with your summer so far?
Nothing special. Just in here. Mm, Summer vacation
Mm-hmm. So are
and
you?
yes. So in summer vacation, I learning English. Yes.
Okay. So you're a student in high school or university?
In high school. I'm
Okay.
in
And
12th grade.
you're going into 12th grade?
Yes.
Okay, wow. And so you study English during the summer, and I have to assume that you study English during the school year too, because you speak very good English.
Thank you.
Do you study English at school as well?
Yes. Actually, I have been speaking English since a month.
Only 1 month.
Yes.
You started learning English last month.
Yes, last month.
So how can you speak so well? I'm sorry, I'm very amazed.
All things I learned from Cambly teachers.
Really?
Yes. Tenses mm, and some grammar lessons and introduction, all
Okay.
things.
So is English your second language, or do you know other languages too?
My native language is Urdu.
Hmm.
Yes.
And do you speak any other language besides that and English?
No, only Urdu.
Okay. Well, congrats. You have done very well for yourself.
Yes, I understand some small sentences.
Hmm. And
Yes.
and why do you want to learn English?
Actually, next year I want to go to the America for study.
Oh,
So,
for university.
yes.
And do you have anything in particular in mind for what you want to study?
Sorry?
What do you want to study?
Islamic study.
Islamic studies.
Yes.
Amazing. And why America?
Because education is very good in America.
Hmm.
Yes, there are a professional study, professional college.
Yes, there's
Yes.
a lot of good universities in the United States. That's very true. Have you looked into any schools in particular, or do you know you just want to go to America for school?
Sorry?
Yes. So, have you found any schools in particular that you like, or do you just know you want to go to the United States and then the rest will come?
I don't understand.
Okay.
Are you
So,
right?
I'm asking two questions basically. Which
You
of these?
send me chat? You can send me chat?
Yes, I can send you a chat.
Yes. Okay.
So I'm asking an either or question. Either or question, it means you pick this or you pick this. So
Okay.
I'm saying, do you first option,
Yeah.
I will send you in the chat, is 1. Do you know which school in America you want to go to? School and university mean the same thing. Or
Yeah. Okay.
do you just know you want to go to America and then later you will figure out what school?
Mm, in 1 moment. In Islamic University.
Oh, and it is not university.
Yes.
Okay, and so you know one in the United States.
Sorry.
There is one in the United States. There's an Islamic university in the United States.
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. And so what else are you doing in the summer? I have to assume that it's very hot in India, right?
Yes. Yes. Right now it's very hot. Pretty hot.
And so what do you do to avoid the heat?
Sorry. Speak again.
What do you do to avoid the heat? Or in other words, how do you stay cool? I will type it in the chat.
Okay.
How do you stay cool? Which means, in other words, how do you avoid the heat?
We take shower a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And do you have air conditioning in your house?
Yeah.
Oh, that is very lucky.
Yes. Actually, right now I am living in hilly areas. In here, a lot of trees.
Oh,
Yes.
that's much better. Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
because in places where it's a lot hotter.
Yes.
Yes. And what do your friends do during the summer? Do you hang out with them?
No.
No?
Yeah.
You just stay with your family?
Yes.
Okay. And
Sorry.
who do you live with? In your house, who is there? You, your
Yes. Yes.
parents?
My parents and my siblings.
How many siblings do you have?
3.
3. Are
Yes.
you older or younger or in the middle?
Younger.
You're the youngest?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. How much older are they than you?
One of my brother, he is 22,
Mm-hmm.
and my sister, she is 21,
Mm-hmm.
and other brother, he is 19.
Okay, well, it looks like we're running